I'm Rachel. I'm a natural skincare formulator. I love showing people how easy it is to create skincare. Now, you don't need fancy equipment. All you need are the right ingredients, the ability to follow a recipe, and you can create your own natural skincare in the kitchen. We are going to create a lip balm that is luxurious. So this formulation has got some exquisite ingredients to create the ultimate natural lip balm. In this video, I'm going to show you how to put it all together, and then at the end, I'll share 2 key tips, so 2 things you should consider before you even begin creating lip balm. So stick around until the end. Our first ingredient is beeswax. This is what helps lip balms stay firm, and it acts as a fantastic humectant, which means it also attracts moisture to your skin. Because it's a wax, it creates a barrier on your skin so it locks moisture in. The 4 liquid oils we're going to use are sweet almond, apricot, jojoba and macadamia oil. These 4 oils are so luxurious, they're moisturizing and they really feel lovely on the skin. 2 butters are shea butter and mango butter. These are so good in lip balm. They're soft, they're creamy, and they're going to add a lovely texture, so a real creaminess to the lip balm. And the other things that we're going to need are vitamin E, some lip balm pots and tubes, and some stickers or labels. When creating skincare, we typically weigh out ingredients in percentages, and we use scales such as these. These are jewellery scales, and they're capable of measuring small amounts. If you don't have small scales, don't worry, lip balm's forgiving. So here's a recipe that also includes where you can use teaspoons. So take a screenshot, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click on the bell to be notified. So in this formulation, there's 2 phases. Phase A is where we're going to add the beeswax, the oils and the butter into a beaker, and we're going to melt them gently using a double boiler. And then for phase B, we'll take it off the heat, add vitamin E, and we're going to work quickly to pour the hot liquid into lip balm pots or tubes. So let's start making. We'll add the beeswax, the butter and the oils to this beaker, and then we're going to put it on the heat and melt it all down.
Feel my heart, it's beating. All my body's breathing. It's just you and me. Feel my heart, it's beating. All my body's breathing. It's just you and me. I'm so caught in this, we're so lost deep in it, can't stop. I'm forever the one you call. Let's free fall. I'm so caught in this, we're so lost deep in it, can't stop. I'm forever the one you call. Let's free fall. 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 Let's free fall.
When pouring the hot lip balm mixture into pots and tubes, things can get a bit messy. So I lay some paper towel down, just makes the cleanup easier, and that way you don't have to try and scrape off any dried beeswax from the bench or the table. If you've got any tips for getting rid of beeswax, put them in the comments below. I'd love to hear them. Here's a little tip. When you're filling up lip balm tubes, you can tie a rubber band around all the tubes, keep them together, and it just makes pouring the mixture into them a lot easier. We're going to add some vitamin E, and natural vitamin E, it helps prevent oils and butters from going rancid. It acts as an antioxidant. Vitamin E is quite thick, and as you can see here, it doesn't quite come out in the dropper. So the best way to get it out is just to tilt the bottle carefully and pour it out. Lip balm mixture can cool down quickly, and the beeswax can set fast. So it's important from here on in, we now work quickly to get it into the containers.
I'm so caught in this, but so lost deep in it, can't stop. I'm forever the one you call. Let's free fall. I'm so caught in this, but so lost deep in it, can't stop. I'm forever the one you call. Let's free fall.
Before you make lip balm, there's a couple of things you should consider. First of all, consider the climate that you're in. Do you live in a warm climate or a cool climate? Because what you need to do is adjust your ingredients to suit the climate. So if it's a hot climate, add more beeswax, so then that way your lip balm stays firm. But if you live in a cold climate or if it's winter, try reducing the amount of beeswax, so then that way your lip balm isn't too rock hard. The other thing to consider is how are you going to carry or store your lip balm? If you're leaving it in a hot car or if you're carrying it around in your pocket all day, it's going to be exposed to warmer temperatures, which means that you might find it melts quicker. So you may need to experiment and play around with your ingredients just so you can find the right consistency that suits you and where you live. The lip balm recipe that I've shared with you is really suitable for a moderate climate, so an ambient temperature around about 23 to 25 degrees Celsius. If you've got questions or if there's a recipe or a formulation you want me to do a video on, just put it in the comments below. You can also find me on Instagram where I have more information on my recipes. Thank you so much for watching.